Keeping track of your car's health used to mean relying on a mechanic for every little warning light, but today's OBD2 scanners make it possible to get answers in minutes. These devices plug right into your vehicle's diagnostic port and translate confusing codes into plain information you can actually use. Some are simple budget tools, while others give you professional-level data straight from your phone or tablet. In this video, we'll cover the 6 best OBD2 scanners of 2025, their key features, and who they're best for. Links to all products are in the description below. Number 6. MOTOPOWER MP69033. If you're looking for a scanner that does the basics without costing much, the MOTOPOWER MP69033 is one of the most straightforward choices you can make. This compact plug-and-play tool is powered directly through your car's OBD2 port, so there's no need for batteries or charging. The bright LCD screen is simple, with 2 navigation buttons that let you scroll through codes, erase them, and even check basic engine parameters. For anyone who just wants to know why the check engine light is on, it gets the job done quickly. What makes this model appealing is the price. At less than $30, it's one of the most budget-friendly scanners you'll find, making it perfect for drivers who only need the essentials. That said, it does come with some limitations. You won't get live sensor data, graphing, or advanced system diagnostics like ABS or transmission. The short cable also means you'll need to stay close to the dashboard while using it. Overall, the MOTOPOWER MP69033 is a practical entry-level tool. It's not designed for heavy diagnostics, but for everyday drivers who want a quick, reliable way to read and clear codes, it's a solid start. Number 5. FOXWELL NT301. The FOXWELL NT301 is a step above basic scanners, offering more detailed diagnostics while staying within reach for everyday drivers. It comes with a bright 2.8-inch color screen and a simple button layout that makes navigation quick, even if you've never used a scanner before. Unlike entry-level models, the NT301 doesn't just read and clear engine codes. It also displays live sensor data such as fuel trims, O2 readings, and freeze-frame information, giving you a clearer picture of what's happening under the hood. Another plus is that it retrieves pending and permit codes, so you'll know about potential problems before they become serious. The unit is powered through the OBD2 port and comes with lifetime free software updates via USB, which helps it stay current with new vehicles. The sturdy casing and responsive keys give it a professional feel, and it boots up quickly with little waiting time. There are a few trade-offs. The NT301 is focused on engine diagnostics only, so you won't get coverage for ABS, airbags, or transmission systems. It's also bulkier than pocket-sized scanners, which makes it less portable. Still, for dyers and car owners who want deeper insight without overspending, the FOXWELL NT301 is an excellent mid-range choice. Number 4. Innova 5610. For drivers who want a scanner that goes beyond engine codes, the Innova 5610 offers a wide set of features that feel almost professional. This device doesn't stop at reading check engine lights. It also covers ABS, SRS, and transmission systems on most vehicles, which means you can diagnose issues with brakes, airbags, and shifting in addition to the engine. The bright screen and clear interface make it easy to scroll through menus, while the built-in Bluetooth allows you to connect to the Repair Solutions 2 app on your phone or tablet. One of its standout features is the guided repair information. Instead of just telling you the code, the app suggests likely fixes, parts, and repair steps, which can save hours of guesswork. Live data graphing and freeze-frame analysis are also included, giving you a snapshot of what the vehicle was doing at the moment a fault occurred. It's not without downsides. The 5610 is more expensive than simpler handhelds, and some users note the update process can be slow. But for home mechanics who want more than the basics, it's a versatile tool that brings professional-level information right into the garage. Number 3. BlueDriver Pro. The BlueDriver Pro is one of the most popular Bluetooth OBD2 scanners on the market, and for good reason. Instead of carrying a bulky handheld device, this compact dongle plugs into your vehicle's OBD2 port and pairs wirelessly with your smartphone or tablet. The companion app, available for iOS and Android, is where the real magic happens. It reads not only standard engine codes, but also enhanced diagnostics for systems like ABS, airbags, and transmission on many makes and models. What sets BlueDriver apart is the Repair Report feature. After scanning, the app provides plain language explanations of the codes along with suggested fixes and even estimated parts costs. That makes it especially useful for drivers who aren't familiar with technical jargon, but still want to understand what's going on with their vehicle. The app is updated frequently, so you're always working with the latest data. There are some trade-offs. BlueDriver only works with its own app. You can't use it with third-party platforms. It also depends on your smartphone's battery and Bluetooth connection, which may be a drawback during long sessions. Still, for tech-savvy users who prefer an app-based solution, BlueDriver Pro is powerful, portable, and convenient. Number 2. AutoMaxxis MS906BT. For serious dyers and professional mechanics, the AutoMaxxis MS906BT feels more like a workshop tool than a simple code reader. Built around an 8-inch Android-based touchscreen, it offers a tablet-like interface that's fast and intuitive. The included wireless VCI, vehicle communication interface, allows you to connect from up to 164 feet away, which means you don't have to stay in the driver's seat while running diagnostics. The MS906BT supports bidirectional control, so you can not only read data but also send commands to the vehicle. That means performing active tests like cycling the ABS pump, opening and closing valves, or commanding fuel injectors. It also offers ECU coding and adaptation features, making it ideal for advanced repairs and system customization. Coverage is broad, supporting domestic, Asian, and European vehicles with regular updates. Of course, this kind of power comes at a cost. The MS906BT is one of the priciest scanners on the list and auto charges annual fees for software updates if you want to keep full access. It's also bulkier than handheld or app-based models. But for professionals or dedicated enthusiasts, it provides dealer-level capability at a fraction of the cost of OEM tools. Number 1. OBD2 MX Plus. At the top of the list is the OBD2 MX Plus, a scanner that combines portability, speed, and advanced features in one small package. Unlike handheld units with built-in screens, the MX Plus is a compact Bluetooth adapter that works with iOS, Android, and even Windows devices. Once paired, it unlocks deep diagnostics through the OBD2 app, while also being compatible with popular third-party platforms such as Tor Pro, FOXWELL, and Car Scanner. This flexibility makes it one of the most versatile scanners available in 2025. Performance is where the MX Plus really stands out. It offers an exceptionally fast refresh rate, which means live data streams smoothly without lag. It also supports enhanced OEM codes for brands like Ford, GM, Mazda, and Toyota, giving you access to systems well beyond the basic check engine light. Another smart feature is its low power mode. It automatically switches to battery saver when your car is off, so you can leave it plugged in without worrying about draining your battery. The only drawback is that there's no built-in screen, so you'll need a smartphone or tablet to use it. Still, for users who want a blend of portability, compatibility, and professional-level insight, the OBD2 MX Plus earns its spot as the best overall OBD2 scanner of 2025. That wraps up our list of the 6 best OBD2 scanners of 2025. From budget-friendly picks to professional-grade tools, there's an option here for every type of driver. Choosing the right one depends on how deep you want to go with your diagnostics. Links to all products are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.